Hi guys! Today we will learn how to make Dalgona coffee. For this we will need coffee, sugar, lukewarm water, ice cubes and milk. First we will take 2 tablespoons of coffee, any instant coffee would be fine, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you have powdered sugar, that will be better, but we are using the regular granulated sugar. Just mix it a little, and now we will add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. The reason we use lukewarm water is because it helps to dissolve the sugar quickly. And now let's start mixing. You can use an electric blender, or you can use a spoon or a fork and mix it manually. You will see that the color will start to lighten and you will get a fluffy, creamy texture. You know your Dalgona coffee is ready when you get a light, creamy caramel color and a creamy texture. Now add some ice cubes to a glass. Now fill the glass with milk. Ensure that you only fill it to thirds. Top it with the coffee mixture. You can dust some cinnamon powder on top.